Hi, I'm Tennant and welcome to Gold Seal. No matter what your goals are in the commercial drone industry, getting started today with Gold Seal will get you where you want to be. Our team of certified flight instructors and professional pilots have crafted a concise package tailored specifically to what you will see on the actual FAA exam. Now, I know you've probably heard that this test is no cakewalk, and I won't lie to you, it's not easy. But our staff of certified flight instructors have tens of thousands of hours helping people pass FAA written exams just like the one you're studying for. Gold Seal has the most sophisticated testing and training software on the market, using test questions from the actual FAA test itself. No one else even comes close. Now, I know this exam covers a lot of information, and at first it can be a little bit intimidating. We're here to walk with you through each and every step, and our customer support team is always standing by to answer any specific questions you may have along the way. So go ahead, give it a try and see how the system works for you. If you take our course and you still don't pass your FAA exam, we'll pay for it. Start your training today, and within days, you could be flying as a commercial remote pilot.